new social.
Training. Yeah.
We are on. This is Ring Road. So when you enter, we have the ground floor. That's the reception. It's a 24/7 reception because we have service apartments too. So when you enter, you have the ground floor. Going down is B1, B2. So there's 3 levels of parking, including this mezzanine, making it 4 levels of parking. So from the mezzanine, we come to the first floor. So, sorry? Yeah. So this is the first floor. Our first floor, we call it first floor of the Sky Garden because it has a swimming pool, which is a heated infinity, and we have a pool bar here and a lounge over here. So the first floor units also come in the garden. So if you're buying a 1-bedroom here, you also buy it with an extra garden. This is a kids play area. This is a multifunctional room. So yeah, that's it for the first floor layout, but you can get to see where the lifts are placed. These are the 2 lifts for this block. This is block A. 2 lifts for this block, block B. 2 lifts for this block, making it block C, block D, and block E. Yeah, so the first floor layout is a bit different from the rest because of these provisions and these 2. So moving from that, we have the second floor. That's second floor to 24th floor, standard units. I'll be able to show you one by one. Then we have the penthouses, 25 and 26th floor. Those are duplex penthouse. There are only 6, but they're all sold out for now. Then, yeah. Then we have in our 27th and 28th floor. These are the amenities floor. On the 27th floor, we have 180 square meters gym in the middle. We have a separate male and female sauna. There's a yoga room. There's a game room for indoor games, mostly like pool, football, and chess. Then we have a mini golf this side and the other side. This one is an outdoor theater, the other side. Yeah. Then for the 28th floor, we have another pool, which is still heated infinity pool with a good panoramic view of Karura Forest. Then we have the restaurant inside. So we have 2 pools and around 4 floors of amenities.
Okay.
Yeah. So the whole block is 5 blocks. This is A, B, C, D, and E. I'm sorry about the lighting. So block A and B is similar to D and E. So it's a mirror. Whatever is happening this side is this side. For example, we have 1 bedrooms on block A and 1 bedrooms on block E. Yes. Then block C, the middle block has 3 bedrooms only.
This block of 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms is now block B and block D. Yes. So you were interested in our 2 bedrooms? I'll be able to show you, take you directly to the model.
Okay.
Okay. So the standard 2 bedroom we have is this one. For 109 square meters, 2 bedroom. This one is going for 13.8. Here's the entrance with an L-shaped kitchen, very spacious living room, and a connecting balcony. Secondary bedroom, the main washroom. We have the laundry, and this is a master bedroom, which is en suite. So for this one, you can have it for 13.8. The higher your deposits, the higher the discount we can get to give you. And for this one, we have it on 2 blocks, giving it 2 views. We have it on this block. This one. So for this block, it's facing this side, Riverside and Wayaki Way, and you can still have views of Karura Forest on this side. So it's a very good block. You have the garden views. And we also have it on that side, which you have the city views, GTC, and expressway views. Yeah.
This is the balcony.
Yeah, that's the balcony connected from the secondary bedroom to the living room.
Elegant welcome, fit only for royalty, a world-class entrance that sets the tone for the dress of international standards. A signature restaurant, right at your doorstep. At the corner, a lush courtyard and oasis, a quiet escape from the energy of the city. The cascading water creates an experience like no other. The pool bar, a great, cooling social retreat. High above the city, a breathtaking, infinite pool that floats above the skyline. A luxurious, fully equipped gym for elevated wellness. An inspiring yoga This is more than a home. It is Nairobi's first palace residence, crafted for those who demand nothing less than luxury living. Every palace.
Functionals will be ready by the end of the year, but I can take you to the site to see. Have you seen the progress?
Yeah, family, upon site, me and Champion go right now. And him say him now wear them thing in Jamaica. Anyways, let's go, family. I'm the first time I go on FA Palace site, family. So I'm excited, you know what I mean? Yeah, so let's check it out.
You know,
Eh? Yeah, family, so over FA Palace we are go, family. We are walk over there. It's so close. We have service center, there's a Westgate Mall, there's a service center mall, so you can walk go anywhere, family. You know what I mean?
this is a mall.
Yes. You can press more.
I never go over there yet. There's so much mall around this place, yeah? This one is what?
It's a hospital.
Oh, it's a hospital, ah. Yeah, family, the location, yeah, may I tell you, when you invest in a real estate, location is always key. That is what open up the money to the door, that you use that key to open the door money. So this is a location, yeah, family, trust me,
Rent or
are the best. So we are showing you the surrounding families. This is a mall. I've never go over this mall like the other mall in Nairobi, family. Me I tell you, say sometimes I have to ask myself. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? As you can see, the pinnacle that them so them are built there, so service center there, so the oval here, so. Which one? The pinnacle? Yeah, it seems like some of them I do now. You know, surrender line. So now put in the glass and all kind of thing. Motor too. Yeah, family. So you can see the moving peak this. The rotating restaurant in Nairobi, I'm sure now. The rotating restaurant. So the location here, family, may I tell you, are the best. With a hotel style of living, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, family, so you saw it there. Up on site with the Jamaican developer, so.
the mezzanine. Yes, floor.
What's down there? The parking?
Yeah, parking. All that is the parking. B1, B2, mezzanine, and ground floor.
Okay.
So we can get in and see the material.
So, I'm going to show me the material, family, because we're not selling no pussy in a bag. What we are selling, no, I want to get. You know what I mean? So, let's see the material that they want to use for FA Palace. You know what I mean? Yeah. When I hear champion attack, I think him a think. Blah. So you see? So this is okay, cool. So this is the smart toilet. When I said smart, what it do?
Cook myself, clothes, wash
What?
your, you have to use toilet paper if you don't want.
Blood clot.
Sure them have the mice, but not this one.
Eh.
My brand name
Pause
Woodbridge.
on and off. Lights up.
So the
Wow.
video is something and in the so something that can come out, blow a ear and then sit there.
Eh, blood when you're done. You know, each time with the number 2, me have to shower, so.
So this is the
Yeah.
sink. It's coming with this.
Ah, so you're bad. Okay.
It has a good faucet. It's a very nice.
So we still have that offer where we have a fully furnished for 8.8 how much million for the 1 bedroom fully furnished.
Yeah.
How much is it?
8.
8 million.
Yeah.
Fully furnished, 1 bedroom.
The cooker is coming with 4
And I did.
and 1 electric. Here's the wood.
Then, yeah.
And here's the shower. So it has also a smart shower.
Ah, really?
It has a lot of options.
Okay,
Then,
nice.
And that's the tile.
This is the bathroom tile. These are the living room tiles.
Okay, nice.
This is the oven.
The oven, okay. Built-in oven. So,
These are the sinks for the laundry and the bathroom. And
Faucet.
Faucet.
faucet and the mirrors.
So
Okay,
question,
nice.
right?
Sorry?
So question. If someone buy one, right? And they don't want to use that tile, What's up?
Well, while finishing, you can not put for you yourself, or you can buy your own tiles, then you will request them to do that for you.
Yeah, family. Family, so we just come from FA Palace over there, so we are go over Amani, 2 and 3 bedroom over Amani. Let's go look on it and see it. Yeah. Where is the FM in general? Where is the FM in?
Female cow.
Oh, yeah, FA. 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 Champion said the Chris's cement chuck him ever see. So me I tell him say, yo, the developer here, fresh from out of China. Lean up. Yeah, family, sir. Amani this. Amani. Hey, showroom. Showroom. Yeah, family, so Amani with there. They've said the showroom ready. I'm very excited to see this because the man them do everything clean. You know what I mean? Yeah. So me generally I come. So then we go in and see the showroom, family. 3 and 4 bedroom living in a Nairobi family style. Yeah. Yeah. What you doing, man? I'm excited to see you to see the showroom.
We moved yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
This was our showroom.
Ah, this is my client here. I want to check it out.
The showroom is not available. Not really yet, but they are progressing.
So can we see inside?
Like this. Yeah, we go inside.
Let's go inside the office.
But we wait up. We have only mentioned. So this is what gonna look like.
Yeah, yeah.
We wait now information. We can go.
All right, let's go. Let's go inside, family. Construction now go on. Yeah. We are risk it all for this for Amani.
We go fast.
We are risk it all for my Amani. One of my best project family. Best family project is Amani right now in Kenya. So if you're serious, you know what to do. You know what I mean? Yeah. Coffee shop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now the garden.
The garden here. Wow, it's big. Wow. Play with this space.
Where we're going to do the water feature, the surfing, so the
Uh-huh.
water feature will run.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah, but we first go see the model.
Yeah, let's see the model unit.
House next time.
Yeah.
You can just work in the brochure, man. See what I want.
Yeah. We just, you know what I mean? The garden. Inside here gonna be the garden, right?
Yeah,
I like how they make the space that's very spacious. Inside of the office. That's all.
this is the road we take from So this is what the garden is.
Ah.
Water, and the other side there's the pool.
So this is all a big pool.
No, so it's the water feature. So this is the water feature, and then here there's the pool. So here there's the pool.
Ah.
Yeah.
So you can't swim over here.
No, you can't swim there. It's just a water feature.
Why these are here? This look like a bar.
No, it's just decorations because around it we.
Alright, this we can watch you. Room small.
Yeah.
Room
All the master
but this is the shower.
Yeah, the shower, the master, there's the bedroom.
Alright. This are the other
Another
bedroom.
bedroom.
Another bedroom of a view of the inside.
Yeah, of the garden.
And that's the bathroom.
That's the bathroom,
And
yeah.
then living room. And then this is a bedroom. Kitchen over here.
Yeah, so my kitchen is broad here. So cabinets.
So this bedroom have a balcony?
So this is a bedroom.
It has no balcony. I think I see something here, but
Sorry? So this pipe is for the duct. We do the hood, so it runs all the way.
The kitchen.
kitchen
Yeah,
wood.
the hood.
Alright.
So we will do at the washing.
Make sure it's not a shit pipe.
Oh no, all bathrooms have that piping there.
Our water.
No, I can't go to that one. But that one for the sink.
Yeah. Alright, so that's good. So now then, we might use drywall. Drywall when you want to chop. But you might go on.
What?
With a wrap balcony, one in suit, going to 13 middle and 14. 13 and 14. First floor, second floor to 10th floor, 13, 11 to 25, 14. Same case today. This is another 2-bedroom, 110 square meters. 13, the same case. 13 lower floors, 14 higher floors.
The first one was almost 100 how much?
104,
Okay, and that's 100 how much?
110.
Okay.